Hi, I'm Logan with Chaparral, and today I'm with the 2870 SSX. This boat blends performance, comfort, and luxury so that it's as fun to ride as it is to drive. Including the Infinity Power Step, this boat is 28 feet long and has an 8-foot 6-inch beam. It weighs 5,900 pounds, has a 22-degree dead rise, and can hold 80 gallons of fuel. Its largest engine option is 430 horsepower, and it has a yacht-certified passenger capacity. The Premium Black Edition package will include your choice between the EFX Tower or HTX Hardtop, a JL audio speaker upgrade, underwater lights, a Cayenne interior package, and special edition badging. The connectivity package will add a rear view camera and 3 more wireless phone chargers throughout the boat. New customization options like the 2 new interior colors and gel-coated gunwales give a striking look that will stand out in a crowd. The bow features U-shaped seating with these wraparound cushioned bolsters and 60-inch stainless steel grab rails on either side. Built flush with the seating area, you'll have 4 cup holders with 2 wireless charging pads that are included in the connectivity package. Both of the forward-facing seats have storage underneath, with the starboard side having a larger compartment. The center cushion is removable, and the lid hides an insulated and overboard draining cooler. On the foredeck, you have 2 pull-up cleats and an anchor locker. In the center of the bow is a mount for the optional bow filler cushion and bow table, and in the center of the floor is a deep storage compartment. Built into the starboard side console, you have your one-piece weather door, and behind it is a flip-out trash can. The next-gen Helm design features a stylish layout that's meant to keep you in control without feeling overly crowded. Our new digital switching design moved the typical switch controls into the fast-processing Simrad NSX12 touchscreen display. Next to the touchscreen is our new Lenco Pro Series auto-leveling tab control. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is mounted on a tilt base, and to the left of your screen, you have a wireless phone charging dock. On the starboard wall, you have your throttle binnacle and a speaker. Farther down, there is a wireless phone charging dock, a dual-port USB charger, and a 12-volt power outlet. The port console matches the Helm with its triple-stitched vinyl brow, carbon fiber, and stainless steel trim. This console is actually built out of a sturdy fiberglass door that leads down to the head. The front of this door has a locking glove box. Inside the head, you have LED lighting, an opening port light, a stainless steel sink with a removable wand faucet, a mirror, and the standard porta potty. This can be upgraded to a pump-out porta potty or an electric head with a holding tank and overboard discharge. The cockpit was designed around comfort and easy accessibility. It's got wide walkways and only 1 step separating it from the swim platform. And the diamond pattern non-skid or optional C-deck flooring will help you keep your footing. A new addition to Chaparral's lineup is the HTX folding hardtop. This hardtop and the EFX folding arch tower are both optional and have some color customization options. Both towers fold electronically in just a few seconds. You have a bench seat along each side and a forward-facing bench in the back of the cockpit. Under the port seat, there's a deep storage compartment with retainer clips for the bow filler cushion and table support legs and an air pump. The starboard bench has 2 lids to better insulate the draining cooler that's built in underneath. The ski locker in the center of the boat has plenty of room and a pull-out drawer that locks in place. There are drains built into the back of the cockpit on either side, and built into the starboard gunwale is where you'll find your battery switch. You can access the engine hatch by pulling on the stainless steel handle found underneath the rear bench seat, and this compartment will stay open thanks to the locking gas struts. The walkway to the swim platform has a small step leading from the cockpit and another one to step back down onto the swim platform. In the middle of this walkway, you have a deep storage compartment that's great for stashing fenders and dock lines. This rear-facing bench seat has a cup holder, stereo remote, and an engine trim switch. New for 2025 is our Vista View 2 Sun Lounge. Simply pull the stainless steel handle on the rear bench seat and it folds out to become a large sun pad for up to 4 people. The swim platform comes with a standard C-deck mat and the patented and award-winning Infinity Power Step. When you press the button on the starboard side walkway, this step deploys 12 inches down into the water in just a few seconds to give you a sturdy re-entry point or stadium-style seating down in the water. Some other popular options for this boat are the tower speakers, the tower board racks, RGB courtesy lighting, and the Apex hull graphic. This boat is introducing some exciting new features to the Chaparral lineup, like the color-matched gunwales, the HTX hardtop, and 2 new interior color packages. To keep up to date on the latest Chaparral news, follow us on social media. For our boat builder and full details on all of our models, visit chaparralboats.com.